Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I was asked on VHT Nightshade that I'm using to, as you can see, I did it for a 2021 Honda Accord Sport 2.0 Touring. I'm using this right now, and it's not windy at all. It's really great weather outside, so this is how you actually do it. You know what? Just mask it around. That's the easy way. I know I'm using a lot of tape. I don't want to use, too much newspaper or masking sheets. It's just quicker this way. Just get one big bundle and then just use that. So I'm masking that side, and you do the same thing here. On this side, it's easier. But if you have the trunk closed, then you would have to cover. You see more space. You have to cover that area. You have to cover this area. You have to cover the top area. But if you just have it like right there, then you're good to go. Just have it up here and just kind of give it two coatings over here, light spray. And also, I already have this done like a year and a half ago. So I need to kind of fade it away, like 2 coatings faded away. So I'm gonna give it 2 more coats and see how it comes out. And that's how it looks right now, guys. See on this side? This one was already darker before, like 8 coatings, because the 1.5, this light doesn't work. So I figured I'd just have it blacked out, whatever. But if you want to take it off, like remove this nightshade, you got to use brake cleaner. So I'll put the link in the description below for both items. Once you spray the brake cleaner onto your microfiber towel for like 2 seconds, and then quickly start rubbing onto it, it will come off easily. Yeah, that's how it looks right now. This is the sun area, and this is in the shade area. So I'll go ahead and give it 2 coats. Very easily, kind of hold the spray. I would say, let me show you distance right now. Just kind of hold it up to here. See that? So it's like this far from it, and you would kind of start spraying, like you go quick like that, give it like a nice coat like that, this even, just like that, and then let it sit for 5 minutes and then do 1 more coating. Then you should be good from there. Let's see how it looks afterwards. I'll give it first coat and let you see how it looks. All right, so this side is done. I sprayed it twice, and it's already looking a lot better from before. I just don't like that red. It's just too bright red, honestly, for me. For my car being blacked out, I want that look right there. This is perfect right now. And then you just easily remove the masking tape from it, and now I'm just letting it dry. Give it about an hour, to be safe. But it does take, I would say, a few hours to like cure completely, give that gloss look to it. Right now it's just sprayed on, so I gotta give it at least an hour to let it dry. But give it a few hours for it to be like glossy, and it'll be perfect. Then you could wash it and stuff like that. You'll be fine. See how this side is? I just don't like this red. Don't look at this side. It's a lot better. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side right now, and just mask it up. Show you how it looks overall. There you go. Alright, that's how it looks overall. It's the sunny side, and that's the shaded side. As you can see, it kind of went a bit darker because it's still drying process right now. Give it a good hour. That's it. We should be good to go. But a lot better than what it was before. Alright guys, that's how it is. It's pretty simple. Drop a like and appreciate the support. I think this is great. Looking out great. God, perfect.